Hey everyone, so I just did, my bird gave herself a bath. Look at Maisie! Maisie! Hey baby, why did you give yourself a bath? Why didn't you ask? Ew, you pooped. Okay, well, anyway, wow Maisie, you made a mess. Yeah, you made a big mess. You're very wet. Very wet. So, I just finished my live stream from Saturday. I know, it's Monday now. But, yeah. I just finished up my live stream, and, yeah, so it's offline now. And, yeah. So I hope that you guys, the ones that were watching, enjoyed that, because it was pretty fun to do. That was my first live stream, and it was pretty fun. And, yeah, shout out to the Puddle Duck 3. Puddle Duck 3, yeah, you stayed on the entire time, and I don't know how they did that. So, yeah. It was pretty fun, so I think I might do it again sometime. Yeah. So, honestly, you know what I want to do with Maze? Miss Maisie. Miss Maisie. Good girl. You know what I want to do with you, Maze? I want to start a brand with you. Yeah. Do you want to do that? Does that sound good? To start a brand of your own? Oh, yeah, you like that idea, don't you? Yeah, you like that idea. You like that idea, sweetie. No kiss? No kiss? I love you, baby. Alrighty. Holy crap, wait. Since when? I didn't know you could change your YouTube username. Interesting. Alrighty. I'm just gonna sign in. No, I already have an account. Google. Fix AdWords. Fix it. I'm stuck. Okay, maybe. I wonder if it actually is on that account. I wonder if it is. No. AdWords.google.com. Go. Yes, I need to sign in. No. I have an account. Yeah. I have an account. Okay, sign in. I don't know what my website is. I don't have a website. Okay, what is my genius idea? What if... What? I don't? I said cancel. So, apparently, I don't have a Google AdWords account. Well, I find that false because I know I do, and I know I have it linked, but okay, nope, apparently I don't. Okay. Fine, that's okay. 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 Wow, I have 1 like and 22 views on my Titanic video. And yeah. Well, guess what? I don't know about you. I don't know if you guys know about it, but it's YouTube is currently going through a little glitch, and my video doesn't have any sound. I wonder if I can watch my live stream. Holy crap, I can! Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm going to watch my live stream now, guys, and I will check back with you in a bit. And yeah. Also, I need to charge my camera because it's about to go out, isn't it, Maze? Hey, do you want your own brand? I think she wants her own brand. Now I'm going to go ahead and watch this live stream, and I hope you guys will too, and give it a like and subscribe to me because that would be great. Alright, thanks for watching it, those of you who did, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I just finished watching the live stream, and I think it was okay. So, Maisie, what do you think? Yeah, you don't care. You don't care about anything. You don't care about me. Yeah, she really legit hates me. I don't know why, but she does. All better. I hope I have the SD card in this thing. Yeah, of course I do. It's recording. I'm smart. So anyway, if you saw my Twitter, then you would know that I was going to do that and contortion. So a lot of you don't really know what that is. I can see why it's not very popular. Now please keep in mind, I am a beginner. I can't do anything worth crap. So, yeah, I'm just going to see if I can okay, I think that'll be good enough, and I'm just going to show you guys what exactly contortion is. It's just a whole bunch of crazy back bending, pretty much. So, let's get to it. I have to get up. Okay, first move is a beginner's move. Of course, not everyone can go as high as me. I'm kind of naturally flexible in the back. Not enough to like flip my legs over my head or anything like that, but I can do this and go like completely vertical, except for like that curve in my back. And of course, you lift it up your feet, and I can't. Yeah, so yeah, you basically do that, and yeah. So it's not too bad. It's kind of fun, and yeah, I was just going to show you that one move, and trust me, that was not clickbait. Because technically, I did contortion for y'all. Alrighty. I've got to get up. So,
I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.